Yes, let us look at the branches of sociology. I want us to appreciate the word and the term sociology, as we say that this is the connection between, or this is the relationship between religion and the society. But sociology itself has got what they call branches. Branches, if you look at a tree has got the roots, the stem, and it has got what they call branches. Branches, they are the divisions. So I want to see divisions of sociology. So sociology is the diverse field that has several branches or subfields, each focusing on a specific area of study. So here are some of the branches of sociology, and I want us to appreciate these branches of sociology. So sociology has got several branches, but meanwhile, we are going to look at the following branches. One, what do they call the theoretical sociology? Theoretical sociology is one of the branches of sociology that we know. So this is concerned with developing a testing sociological theory to explain the social phenomenon. So theoretical sociology is more of a theory. It is concerning with developing and testing sociological theories, different theories of sociology. So this is one of the branches. It is more of a theoretical concern. Two, we have sociology of education. So sociology of education is another branch of sociology. This sociology of education examines the role of education on society. Which role does education have or play on the society altogether? So it is looking at the role of education or education in the society, including its impact on the social mobility and inequality. So what role does education play in the society, and what are the impacts of its role on the society? Still, we have sociology of a family. So sociology of a family, this studies the family as the social institution, including its structure, function, and relationship. So sociology of religion is looking at the family as a social institute. It is like a social institution. So sociology of a family, it is more of the family. It looks at the family as an institution, and including its structure, how is it organized, and the functions within the family, and the relationship between the family and the society. Which impact does the family have on the society? If you are living in a specific family, which impact do you have with your family on the society? Perhaps sociology of culture. So sociology of culture examines the way in which culture shapes social behavior and is shaped by the social factor. So sociology of culture, it looks at the way in which culture shapes the social behaviors. How does culture influence the social behaviors of the people in the society? So if at all I say I'm a Muganda, how does the Baganda culture influence the way I behave in the society? So how is the society being influenced by culture? So sociology of culture, it is looking at the culture and how does the culture influence the society. The 51, we have sociology of religion. So sociology of religion is another branch of sociology. I say the branches are the divisions. So sociology of religion looks at the role of religion in society. Which role does religion play within the society? So sociology of religion looks at the role of religion in the society, including its impact on the social behaviors, identity, and the social changes. How does religion influence the society? How does the religion influence the behaviors of the people within the society? And how does religion bring change or social change in the society? The sixth one, sociology of politics. Sociology of politics, this examines the relationship between politics and the society, including its impact. So how does politics impact the society? What are the impacts of politics on society or in the society? If the society is politically unstable, how does that affect the society? If the society is politically stable still, how does that impact the society? So it looks at the effects of politics on the society and its contributions towards the political change and etc. So on and so forth. Lastly, among other branches, though there are many, we have social stratification. Social stratification is like divisions of classes, and it is more of power. So this examines the distribution of wealth, power, and prestige within the society. So social stratification is like class division. So this is the branch that looks at the divisions, the wealth, the power, and the prestige. People who are divided based on wealth, power, and prestige within the society. For example, you may say that these people are from first class. What makes us to utter that statement? Because of their wealthy, because of their status, so on and so forth. So there are several branches of sociology. So I beg to stop there with the branches of sociology, and we continue, or we start with how sociologists study religion. So sociologists, when they are studying religion, they borrow several approaches to acquire what they want. So sociologists of religion, using a variety of methods and approaches, here are some of the approaches that sociologists actually go for, or what they apply in order to receive, in order for them to get the truth about religion, and also to get actually to know the connectivity, what is in religion and how is religion connected to the society. So they apply a number of methods for them to get to know more about religion. So the sociology of religion selects one aspect of social interaction for study. So the interaction, which is primarily religious in nature, again, in the society, groups interact with individuals and also interact with each other as group, against group. So an individual against individual. So sociology then is the scientific study of such a phenomenon. How do groups interact with the groups? How do societies interact with the societies? If we are Baganda, how do we interact? What is the relationship between us and other groups? So it is looking at the connectivity between different groups and societies within the region. So some of these groups are religious nature, the study of which falls within the province of sociology of religion. So it is looking at how do people in the society interact with one another. People of different groups, how do they interact? How do they live as one? So the following are the methods, the approaches sociologists apply in order for them to get the truth about religion and its interaction or its relationship with society. One, we have what they call survey and questionnaires. Sociologists, when they are studying religion, they apply different approaches in order for them to get what they want to know about religion. One, they apply what they call questionnaires. Questionnaires and the survey is one of the approaches that sociologists apply. So sociologists use surveys and questionnaires to collect data on people's religious beliefs, practice, and affiliations. So sociologists, when they want to know about the group of people following a specific religion, they apply what they call survey and questionnaire. Survey, you go and you research about something. You survey, you go into details. Then questionnaire, it is like a paper. You write it with question and where someone answers, or answers with somewhere someone circling. Just someone, are you Muslim? You say, yes, I am. Then someone ticks. Are you married? Yeah, I am not. Yes, I am, or I am not married. Then someone takes. So like that. So they apply such things in order to get what they call correct data from the people, to know which people follow a specific religion. Still, sociologists, you apply what they call the observation studies. This is another approach of collecting information about religion or knowing about religion. So sociologists conduct observational studies of religious rituals, ceremonies, and the daily practices to gain a deeper understanding of religious behavior. So they apply what they call observational study. Observation, you observe. You look at, for example, Muslims, they do what they call circumcision. You observe and say in Islam there is circumcision. You use your naked eyes and observe and see what is really going on in that specific religion. Ceremonies, people celebrate different events given the fact of that they have different religion, but they celebrate different occasions. Muslims, they have Eid, Christians, they have Christmas, they have Easter Sunday, they have Good Friday, so on and so forth. So Islam, you look at such occasion, then you conclude. So we have what they call the interview and the focus groups. So sociologists, I beg your pardon, sociologists conduct in-depth interviews and the focus group with individual and groups to gather more information or detailed information about their religious experience. So sociologists, they interview people. Someone comes to you and they make interviews on you, and even they look at groups, they group people and they interview them in order for them to get what they call detailed and correct information. So we have what they call the content analysis. Content analysis, this is a common approach that people use in correcting their data. So content analysis, we say that sociologists analyze religious texts, sermons, and the other media to understand the content and the theme of religious messages. So they make analysis. Analysis is like you see something, then you write about it, or you go into details about that specific thing. So they look at the text, the sermons, and the medias to understand more about religious messages, like the written information, like the apostles wrote gospels. These people, they can go into details. You revise about what was written, then you get to know about the religion. What they call historical analysis. Sociologists understand the historical development of religious institutions, movements, and the practices to understand their evolution and the impact. Sixth, we have mixed method research. The mixed method research, sociologists combine multi-methods such as survey, interview, and observational plus the content analysis, so on and so forth, to gain more comprehensive understanding of religious phenomena. So they combine a number of methods or approaches in order for them to get the clear information about what they are trying to research about. So I beg to stop here with the methods and the, how sociologists study a religion, and still to put an enlightenment about the branches of sociology of religion. Sorry, branches of sociology. I beg to stop here. Have a good day.